Welcome to OK Miniatures. Today we're going to be making a sea serpent. I have basically no experience sculpting, but when Jazza came up with his Ultimate Creativity Collection, which included this sculpture box, I decided now would be a good time to try it. Now meaning about 4 months later. Since serpents are scaly and curved, I thought this would be the perfect project to start with. I started out by making an armature with some wire, and then I added tinfoil to get the rough shape. Oh, and just a little side note, throughout this entire project I basically followed the instruction manual included with the box. I began by mixing some of the Sculpey to make a dark and light bluish green. Then I spread the green clay over the bottom of the armature, put green clay on top, dark green clay on top. That's just, most fish and water creatures have light on the bottom so that things below them looking up, they kind of blend in with the light up there, and things looking down from above, they blend in with the darkness below, so just followed that. But I didn't do anything too fancy, just I put the dark green on afterwards so that it'd have a nice clean edge. Originally I tried to cut out scales and layer them on, but I found that pushing one of the circle clay cutter things partially into clay and pulling it back out worked much better. To add some interest to the little coils, I tried using some of the pastels included. I mainly used a brown to tone back the bright underbelly of the serpent, but I also tested out some reds and oranges on the top, which worked okay. I think the colors just help give some more realistic variation on the scales. Finally, I put the clay in the oven for 10 minutes at 25 degrees Fahrenheit. And voila! If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more content like this, consider subscribing. And with that, I'll see you in the future.